Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing. We received a package in the post this morning, all the way from Stockholm, Sweden. So we shall see if we can get into this and have a look and see what we've got inside. That's stuck down good. Say this has been sent to me from a fellow Locksporter on the way from Stockholm. I think it's Stockholm, I think it's possibly just to the south of Stockholm. Haha. Some Swedish candy. I love it, that's the coolest thing ever. What we have here. Whoa. It's more candy, I believe. I hope it's candy. This is like one of these dark web unboxings that I watch. You just never know what you're getting sent. Oh well, if it's not candy, we'll have a good weekend. So this is a challenge lock set. And this is Papa Smurf's Headbangers ball. This should keep me out of mischief for a little while. I think there's 5 challenge locks in here, plus I might have to do a bit of picking to get it open first. That's the keys. I just wanted to show this off. I was quite excited when this arrived this morning, I wasn't expecting it. So I'm away to go eat candy, and then we will take a look further at this amazing package that I've received. Thanks very much, catch you soon.